Hello, good afternoon, my dear student. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to talk about word stress. What is word stress? Word stress, also called lexical stress, is the emphasis a speaker places on a specific syllable in a multi-syllable word. Word stress is especially hard for non-native speakers to master, while there are a few conventions and general rules governing which syllable is stressed in a word based on its spelling alone. These conventions are often unreliable. Before we look at these conventions and their exceptions, let's discuss how we can indicate syllable and word stress in writing. For example, red, soccer, unforgettable. Look at the sample. Red, one syllable. Soccer, two syllables. Unforgettable, two or more syllables. Okay, my dear student, try again. Red, soccer, unforgettable. Look at the wordsheet. Soccer, unforgettable. Okay? Example. Here we are. Dog, red, white, yellow, excellent, handsome, unpleasant. Dog, one syllable. Red, one syllable. White, one syllable. Yellow, two syllables. Excellent, three syllables. Handsome, two syllables. Unpleasant, four syllables. Look at the difference. One syllable, two syllables, three syllables, and four syllables. Okay, let's go, my student. Stress on the song word syllable. The rule. Small two-syllable noun. Example. Company, education, astronaut, dictionary, excellent, intelligent, considerable, magnificent. Okay? Question? Any question, please? Okay. Again. Example. Company, education, astronaut, dictionary, excellent, intelligent, considerable, magnificent. Okay? Stress on some verb syllable. Again. Obtain, remember, forget, study. Okay, question please? Tip. For a few words, native English speakers don't always agree on where to put the stress. For example, some people say television and others say television. Okay? Look at the difference between among other words. Activity, my student. We are going to do the exercise. Company. Where is the word stress? Company. Is it company or company? Company. Education. Education. Okay. Look at the word stress. Education. Astronaut. Astronaut. Dictionary. Dictionary. Excellent. What is the word stress? Excellent. Excellent. intelligent, intelligent, considerable, magnificent. Okay, student? Repeat it after me. Company, education, astronaut, dictionary, excellent, intelligent, considerable, magnificent. Okay? Word stress in the magic key to understanding spoken English. Look at the sample. Photograph, photographer, photographic. Speaking clearly word stress, my student. Okay? Any question? No question? Okay, let's go. Email address, could you write me any question or problem? ELQUIN at MEJIA at secar at edu at co. Any question, please? I is available to help you. Okay? Okay, my dear student. The class is over. Thank you so much. Goodbye. I wish you the best for you. Thank you so much. Goodbye. God bless you.